Okay, so the jets, the channels inside this carburetor are clogged up, and it's from sitting for a long time, so it's a lot easier just to put a new carburetor on there. So I bought the kit. It comes with a filter, gas filters, some fuel line. Got the spare carburetor, or the new carburetor replacement. Alright, so I've got to fabricate a throttle linkage. So I got that little like step right there on the very end right here. Okay, it's missing on this side. Kind of broke off. And this rod attaches up in here on the carburetor like that right there. See that? You gotta go. It goes in there, and it goes down like that, right? I've got to fabricate one with that curve right there. See that? That way this will go in, and that'll work. Okay, so I've got the carburetor on there, and let's see if it'll start. Hang on, buddy. Let me just get this thing going.